Hello, welcome back to a new series of Gardener's World. At this point in the season, as winter comes to an end, the garden is changing almost by the hour, and new things are appearing every moment. What I love about this time of year is that you come out and you greet old friends and you're just drawn into the garden. And as usual, I'm joined by Carol, Joe and Rachel. Carol will be spending some of her time in her own garden in Devon. And this year she's also going to be out and about, looking for relatives of our garden plants growing in their natural habitat.
Just look at this, it's absolutely magical.
Joe is starting out this year with a series of design masterclasses to help us all make the most of our gardens, whatever size or shape they are. Now, we all want to have as much winter colour as we can get in our gardens. Rachel gets some ideas from a Hampshire garden that is filled with colour and fabulous fragrance right through the winter.